guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I apply fake eyelashes in about 5 minutes. So to get started, I'm going to be using wispies. You can find this basically any drugstore. I'm gonna use tweezers to put the eyelashes on, some scissors to cut any excess of the eyelash length. So first off, I'm going to rip it off of this, taking it from the ends, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of the ends off. I'll cut about this much. So it's about this long, and I cut this much off. As you can see, using my glue, just gonna apply it on the lash band. Taking my tweezer, gonna lay it right on top. And just adjust it while it's wet to start at the bottom. I'm gonna stick it with my natural lashes. So I'm gonna press it down. You want to be careful when you press it together. And if it's like sticking up, I'm going to take the end of the tweezer and push down. That's how I apply my fake eyelashes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you found this really helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.